Hey everyone, I'm Buongiorno from Venice in Italy. It's the 14th day of our epic European adventure, and today we're getting an early train and going to Gardaland Park, a theme park on the shores of Lake Garda. The train station is only about a 5-minute walk from our hotel, so it shouldn't be too strenuous with the bags on. We've made it to the train station, now let's go and find our platform. And our stop is going to be Peschiera del Garda, which is the closest train station to Garda Park. From there, Garda Park lay on a courtesy shuttle bus to take us to the theme park. This journey is going to take about an hour and a half.
Control room that we expect to have shortly. The train will arrive in Purnia del Water. Ricordiamo che a bordo di questo treno è obbligatorio indossare la mascherina.
With this train, you have to wear FFP2 face masks covering nose and mouth. The violation of this obligation will be submitted to competent authorities, and it may lead to disruption of service in the first available station. You should...
Made it to Gardaland Park, but now we need to just get a bus from the park to the hotel to drop our bags off, and then we'll be coming back here again in a few minutes. I wanted to get a taxi from the train station, but there was actually no taxis at all there. Where the taxi sign was, there were just 3 police cars parked and no taxis to be seen. So we need to get the courtesy shuttle bus to the park, and now we're just waiting for a courtesy bus to the hotel and then come back with a courtesy bus back to the park. And in the meantime, everybody is going into the park, so it looks like it's going to be very busy because the car park is full. We've made it to Gardaland Hotel, so we're going to drop our bags off with the concierge and then head back to the theme park. Thank you. Grazie. So we're in Gardaland and we're going to take a look around. I think the queues are going to be really busy because it's school holidays in Italy now, well, school holidays throughout the world, and it's a really nice day. but we'll still keep walking around and we'll go on as many rides as we possibly can. So we'll probably come back to Peppa Pig World later for Holly. We haven't had breakfast yet, so we're probably going to go for an early lunch somewhere if we see somewhere that we like. So we've got lots of sausages and lots of chips. And Holly's got these extremely long sausages here. I think that was called the Sheriff's menu. And these were called Dynamites, although I think I prefer the Sheriff's, to be honest. And that's Holly's sausage. It's a bit big. It's the size of a coat hanger by the look of it.
It looks like a coat hanger.
It does look like a coat hanger. We've had our lunch and now it's time to go on some rides. Doing good, Holly.
That's Peppa Pig Land done.
So we finished doing Peppa Pig Land. It's totally different than the Peppa Pig World back in Poulton's Park in the UK. Here there's about, how many rides is there? 3? There's three rides and Peppa Pig's house, whereas in Poulton's is probably, how many? 11, 12?
Oh, let me
Maybe?
Yeah.
There's quite a few more in Poulton's, and also the footprint as well is a lot larger in Poulton's Park in the UK. But it was still fun, and Holly enjoyed it, but it didn't have her favourite ride, which is Windy Castle. So we're going to carry on exploring the park again now, and we're probably going to go back to the hotel early to use the swimming pool and refresh and just relax there. Never seen police for guns in a theme park before. That's a new one on me. We've left Gardaland Park. We're going to go back to the hotel, going to relax, go in the pool, and then get some dinner later tonight. We've got our bag and we're heading for our room. This is room 3023 at the Gardaland Hotel in Gardaland Park in Italy. So you come in, first things first, on the left hand side is the bathroom. You got a toilet, bidet, stand-up shower, sink, and here you've got quite a large wardrobe. There. And then to the side of it, you've got some drawers and a safe. And then in the main room, we've got a king bed and also a fold-out bed as well. This is the family room, so it's for 3 of us. So, here you got TV, and in here you've got a fridge. Nothing in there? Yeah. Then you've got desk area here. That's a bed area with a little lion or wherever symbol of Gardaland up there. Then we've also got our own patio area. We can go out to with a fabulous view of the car park. There we go. So, okay. So we've got a complimentary bottle of water as well.
Oh, look at that.
Right. Okay, a do not disturb sign for the door. So that's it, a quick tour of our room in the Gardaland Hotel. It's next to the theme park. Okay, we've gone to the swimming pool and they've got a bit of a racket going here, to be honest. Basically, they won't allow you into the swimming pool without a swim cap, which they conveniently sell for €6 each. So for the three of us to go in the swimming pool in our hotel, it has cost €18 worth of swim caps. We've had a swim, we've had a shower, now we're going for dinner in the hotel restaurant. It's called Wonder Restaurant, I believe.
We only have 2 minutes together.
Yeah, we have 2 minutes for our reservation and it's a buffet, so let's see what that's like, shall we? This is our first round at the buffet. Matthew's gone for fish fingers and chips and some bread. Holly has gone for some pasta and some cucumber.
I keep on the table.
That's okay. And I've gone for lasagna, some spaghetti, a hamburger, and a mix of fish things like squids and things. Not sure what's in there. This is my second round. I've gone for a bit of cheese, some ravioli, some cold cuts of meat, some carrots, and another little bit of the fish. It's dessert time, and I couldn't make up my mind, so I got one of everything. I think we're going to end this episode here. We didn't do as much as we wanted to do in Gardaland because the queues were just way too much, but we had a good time walking around. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and now here's Holly with a special message.
If you like this video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell button. Bye!
Bye!
Next time on Travel Short's Epic European Adventure.